Stonehenge is the world's most famous prehistoric monument in Salisbury Plain in Wiltshire, England. Stonehenge is the most architecturally sophisticated prehistoric stone circle in the world, while Avebury is the largest in the world. Stonehenge is a giant astronomical calendar. The team of researchers studied Stonehenge, as well as several other stone formations across the United Kingdom, and came to the conclusion that Stonehenge was likely built to track the movement of the sun, moon, and stars thousands of years ago. Stonehenge is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nobody knows for sure how the stones were moved to Stonehenge.